Authorized Operation SMCR pickup. Station master's key is inserted in the panel and turned to normal, thereby SMCR relay is energized and key in indication is lit on the panel. Signal button GN drop and root button UN drop pressed and released simultaneously. Let us take off home signal S1 to down main line. Press and release S1 signal button and DMT root button simultaneously. Then S1 GNR1 and DMT UNR relays are picked up. Button reverse relay for reception RR pickup. The RR relay is normally a dropped relay. When signal button and root button are pressed simultaneously, then RR picks up because all the other conditions proved are of back contacts only. This relay is used for reception signals only home. When signal button number 1 and root button DMT are pressed and released simultaneously, S1GNR1 and DMT-UNR are energized. Thereby, S1RR picks up through S1UYR1 drop, S1ARR drop, EGGNR drop, S1GNR1 pickup, COGGNR drop, and DMT-UNR pickup. Then S1RR sticks through its front contact by passing S1GNR pickup, COGGNR drop, and DMT-UNR pickup. It is proved in block clearing circuit to pick up block clearance proving relay ZR1. This helps in block normalization even though the reception signal fails to take off. That is, HR does not pick up. NRR pickup. NRR is normally a de-energized relay and picks up when signal button GN and root button UN are pressed and released simultaneously, proving that conflicting movements are not initiated, that is, NNRs are picked up. Once picked up, it sticks through its own front contact. Signal button S1 and root button DMT are pressed and released simultaneously, and then S1 DMT NRR picks up and sticks through its own front contact, proving the following conditions. Condition: crank handles required are in. Relays concerned: CH1 LR pickup, CH2 LR pickup. Condition: buttons reverse relay for reception is picked up and proved for double cutting. Relays concerned: S1 RR pickup. Condition: 26 OVSR is in picked up condition. Relays concerned: 26 OVSPR pickup. Condition: conflicting routes are not initiated. Relays concerned: S30 CLT NNR pickup, S30 CL80 NNR pickup, S30A CLT NNR pickup, shunt 10 DMT NNR pickup, shunt 10 CLT NNR pickup, shunt 21 DMT NNR pickup, shunt 21 CLT NNR pickup, shunt 23 NNR pickup, S26 NNR pickup, S1A DMT NNR pickup, S1A CLT NNR pickup, S1 CL80 NNR pickup, S1 CLT NNR pickup, S4 NNR pickup. Conditions proved and bypassed by stick path. S1 signal button pressed, S1 GNR1 pickup. S1A calling on signal route not initiated, S1A GNR dropped. S1 route not set and locked, S1A SPR2 pickup. 3 and 4 overlaps not locked, 3 OVSR pickup, 4 OVSR pickup. Route button DMT pressed, DMT UNR pickup. Conditions proved for cross protection, S1 DMT NRPR drop, S1 RR dropped. NNR concerned drops. NNR is normally an energized relay and sticks through its own front contact bypassing ASPRs and OVSRs concerned. The moment NRR picks up, NRR drops. But once dropped, it picks up only when NRR is dropped and ASR and OVSR concerned are picked up, that is, to prove that signal is normal and the route concerned is not locked. Once NNR is picked up, it sticks through its own front contact bypassing the ASR and OVSR pickup contacts to prevent the dropping of NNRs not concerned. Therefore, that NNR only drops for which NRR of a particular signal route is picked up. S1 DMT NNR drops the moment S1 DMT NRR picks up. S1 DMT NNR can pick up again only when S1 DMT NRR drop, S1 ASPR2 pickup and 3 OVSR pickup. Automatic operation of points concerned. S1 DMT NRR operates automatically points 11, 13, 18 and 20 to normal. UCR pickup proving ASRs pickup or UCRs drop or OVSRs pickup. When all the required points 11, 13, 18 and 20 are set to normal, S1 UCR checks the route and picks up. ASR drop and locks the route by not allowing NWLRs drop or RWLRs drop to pick up. When S1 UCR picks up, then S1 ASR drops and locks the route already checked. OVSR drop and locks the route by not allowing NWLRs drop or RWLRs drop to pick up. When S1 ASR drops, then 3 OVSR drops and locks the overlap. Proving UGR drop, UECR drop, HR pickup for main line. When S1 home alone is taken for down main line, then HR is picked up through UGR dropped and UECR drop. Mainline starter DR pickup and DECR pickup, then HR pickup and DR pickup. When advanced starter S6, mainline starter S3 and home S1 are taken off for run through, then S1DR is picked up, proving mainline starter DR pickup and DECR pickup. UGR pickup, UECR pickup, HR pickup. When S1 is taken off for common loop, then UGR, UECR relays are picked up first. Then through front contacts of UGR and UECR, the S1 HR is picked up. Authorized Operation SMCR pickup. Station master's key is inserted in the panel and turned to normal, thereby SMCR relay is energized and key in indication is lit on the panel. Signal button GN dropped and root button UN drop pressed and released simultaneously. Let us take off mainline starter S3. Press and release signal button S3 and 3x4T root button simultaneously. Then S3G and R and 3x4T UNR are picked up, thereby S3 NRR picks up. NRR pickup. NRR is normally a de-energized relay and picks up when signal button GN and root button UN are pressed and released simultaneously, proving that conflicting movements are not initiated, that is NNRs are picked up. Once picked up, it sticks through its own front contact. Signal button S3 and root button 3x4T are pressed and released simultaneously, and then S3 NRR picks up and sticks through its own front contact, proving that the following conditions are satisfied. Condition: crank handles required are in. Relays concerned: CH1LR pickup, CH2LR pickup. Condition: conflicting routes are not initiated. Relays concerned: S1A DMT NNR pickup, S30 CLT NNR pickup, S30 CL80 NNR pickup, S30A CLT NNR pickup, S1 CL80 NNR pickup, S4 NNR pickup, Shunt 10 DMT NNR pickup, Shunt 21 DMT NNR pickup, Shunt 21 CLT NNR pickup, Shunt 23 NNR pickup. The emergency signal cancellation button EGGN not pressed. EGGNPR drop. Sequential route release relays are in dropped condition. S3 Shunt 21 UYR1 drop. S3 Shunt 21 UYR3 drop. Conditions proved and bypassed by stick path. S3 signal button pressed and proved for double cutting. S3 GNR when pickup. S3 root not set and locked. S3 by 4 ASPR2 pickup. Root button 3 by 4T pressed. 3 by 4T UNR pickup. Conditions proved for cross protection. S3 NRPR drop. S3 GNR drop. NNR concerned drops. NNR is normally an energized relay and sticks to its own front contact, bypassing ASPRs concerned. The moment NRR picks up, NNR drops. But once dropped, it picks up only when NRR is dropped and ASR concerned are picked up, that is to prove that signal is normal and the root concerned is released. NNR pickup contact bypasses the ASR pickup contact to prevent the dropping of NNRs not concerned. Therefore, that NNR only drops for which NRR of a particular signal route is picked up. S3 NNR drops the moment S3 NRR picks up. S3 NNR can pick up once again only when S3 NRR drop. S3 by 4 ASPR2 pickup. Automatic operation of points concerned takes place. The moment S3 NRR picks up, point number 18 and 20 are operated to normal by automatic chain operation of points. UCR pickup, proving conflicting ASRs pickup or UCRs drop. When the required points 18 and 20 are set to normal, then S3 UCR checks the route and picks up. ASR drop and locks the route by not allowing NWLRs drop or RWLRs drop to pick up. When S3 UCR picks up, then S3 ASR drops and locks the route already checked. HR pickup. Once route is locked by S3 ASR, then S3 HR checks all the interlocking conditions required for taking off a signal and picks up. S3 DR pickup, proving signal ahead DR pickup and DECR pickup. When S3 HR picks up, S6 DR and DECR are also picked up. Then only S3 DR picks up. Signal button relay GNR. The relay GNCR is normally a picked up relay, proving that all signal button relays are in the de-energized condition. That is, no signal button is in the pressed condition. Whenever any signal button is pressed, the signal button relay GNR concerned picks up, provided all other signal button relays are in dropped condition. That is, no other signal button is in the pressed condition and no point button relay is in energized condition. WNCR is in picked up condition. Whenever any GNR is energized, the signal GNCR all signal button normal relay drops immediately. In GNR and EGGNR circuits, SMCR front contact is not proved. The reason behind this is to allow the signal to be thrown back to danger in case required in emergencies even when the panel is locked. SMCR is in dropped condition. Button circuits for root are root button delay UNR, all root button normal relay UNCR. UNCR is normally an energized relay proving that no root button is in the pressed condition. All root buttons are normal. Whenever any root button UN is pressed, UNCR drops. UNR, the root button relay, is normally a dropped relay. Whenever the root button UN is pressed, the root button relay UNR energizes provided that the following conditions are met. All other root button relays are in the de-energized condition, that is, no other root button is in the pressed condition. The station master's control relay SMR is in the picked up condition, that is, station master's key is in. Point button normal proving relay WNCR is in the picked up condition, that is, no point button is in the pressed condition. Button circuits for a point are point button normal relay WNCR, point button relay WNR. WNCR, all point button normal relay WNCR is normally a picked up relay and drops when any one of the following buttons is pressed. Point, crank handle, LC gate, siding, common point button normal, common point button reverse. Emergency point operation button WNR. Let us press point button WN number 12. When the point button is pressed, point button energized provided the relay WNR is following conditions are met. All other point button relays are in dropped condition. All crank handle button relays are dropped. LC gate button relay is dropped. 15 KL siding button relay is dropped. All signal button normal relays GNCR, all root button normal relay UNCR, station master's controlling relay SMR are in energized condition. Slot transmit button relay GSBNR. When the slot transmit button GSBN is pressed, slot transmit button relay GSBNR is energized provided the station master's control relay SMR and all signal button normal relay GNCR are in the picked up condition. Slot receive button relay GSRBNR. When the slot receive button GSRBN is pressed, slot receive button relay GSRBNR is energized provided the station master's control relay SMR and all signal button normal relay GNCR are in the picked up condition. Normal common point button relay NWWNR. When normal common point button NWWN is pressed, normal common point button relay NWWNR is energized provided SMR is in picked up condition and the reverse common point button relay is in dropped condition. When NWWNR relays are energized, then WNCR relay is dropped. Reverse common point button relay RWWNR. When reverse common point button RWWN is pressed, reverse common point button relay RWWNR is energized provided the SMR is in picked up condition and the normal common point button relay is in dropped condition. When RWWNR relays are energized, then WNCR relay drops. Emergency Point Group Button Relay EWWNR. When Emergency Point Button EWWN is pressed, the Emergency Point Button Relay EWWNR is energized provided that the Station Master's Control Relay SMR is in picked up condition. Calling on Initiation Button Relay COGGNR. When the main signal button and the COGGN button are pressed simultaneously, then the calling on initiation button relay COGGNR is energized and sticks through its front contact. LC Gate Control Button Relay LXNR. When LC Gate Control Button LXN is pressed, the LC Gate Control Button Relay LXNR gets energized provided the following conditions are met. The Station Master's Control Relay SMR, GNCR and UNCR are in the picked up condition. No point button is pressed. No crank handle button is pressed. No siding button is pressed. Siding Control Button Relay KLNR. When Siding Control Button KLN is pressed, Siding Control Button Relay KLNR gets energized provided the following conditions are met. The Station Master's Control Relay SMR, GNCR and UNCR are in the picked up condition. No point button is in the pressed condition. No crank handle button is in the pressed condition. No LC Gate Control button is in the pressed condition. Crank Handle Button Relay CHNR. When Crank Handle Button CHN is pressed, the Crank Handle Control Button Relay CHNR gets energized provided the following conditions are met. The Station Master's Control Relay SMR, GNCR and UNCR are in the picked up condition. No point button, siding control button and LC Gate Control button is in the pressed condition. Signal Lamp Failure Acknowledgement Button Relay GXACKNR. If any signal becomes blank, GXJR drops, which activates the signal failure buzzer and lights up the signal failure indication on the panel. The Station Master acknowledges by pressing Signal Lamp Failure ACK button, thereby Signal Lamp Failure Acknowledgement Button Relay GXACKNR energizes. Thereby the buzzer stops, but the indication remains on till the lamp is replaced or the fault is rectified by S&T personnel. GXJR is made slow to release, thereby it does not drop during aspect changing period and give false alarm. Point Failure Acknowledgement Button Relay WXACKNR. Whenever any point fails to set in normal or reverse, then the point indication relay NWKR or RWKR fails to pick up. Then all points indication proving relay WXJR drops, which activates a buzzer and lights up an indication on the panel. Then the Station Master acknowledges by pressing Point Failure Acknowledgement Button, thereby Point Failure Acknowledgement Button Relay WXACKNR energizes, which stops the buzzer, but the indication remains on till the point failure is rectified and indication is obtained. WXJR is made slow to release. Thereby, it does not drop when both indications NWKR or RWKR are not available during point operation. Button Stuck-up Acknowledgement Button Relay NNACKNR. When any button on the panel like signal, root, point, common point button, normal or reverse, etc. is stuck up in pressed condition or is in pressed condition for more than the predetermined time, all panel buttons normal relay NNCR drops, which activates a buzzer and lights up an indication on the panel. Then the station master presses Button Stuck-up Acknowledgement button AC key N, which energizes the Button Stuck-up Acknowledgement Relay NNACKNR and mutes the buzzer, but the indication remains on till the button stuck-up is normalized. NNCR is made slow to release so that it doesn't drop when button is pressed and restored to normal position immediately on releasing. Emergency Signal Cancellation Button Relay EGGNR. When EGGN is pressed, Emergency Signal Cancellation Button Relay EGGNR will be energized. Whenever it is required to put back a signal to on position during the emergency or due to any other reason, like giving precedence to a train even in the panel locked condition, it can be done by pressing the signal button concerned along with the emergency cancellation button EGGN, as the station master's controlling relay front contact is not proved in both the circuits. The station master's relay SMCR or SMR is energized when the station master's panel key is in and turned to normal or unlocked position. The energization of SMCR or SMR relay provides authorized operation of all the functions on the panel. The energized contacts of SMCR are used in button circuits except GNR circuits, point operation circuits, route initiation circuits, route cancellation circuits, emergency circuits, crack handle circuits, timer circuits, etc. When station master's key is turned to reverse and taken out from panel by station master, the SMR relay drops. It prevents unauthorized operation and locks the panel in the last operated position except throwing the signal to danger. Let us try to operate point number 11, but the point is not operated. Now let us try to take off a signal, but the signal cannot be taken off. When the panel is in the locked position, no signal can be taken off, but in emergency, any signal already cleared can be put back to on by pressing and releasing signal button concerned and EGGN button. Introduction. Let us first look at the chart displaying the point operation. Now we will look at automatic point operation. Route reverse relay NRR picks up. To take off S1 signal to down main line, S1 signal button and DMT route button are pressed and released simultaneously, and then S1 DMT NRR picks up. Route normal relay NNR drops. The moment S1DMT-NRR picks up, S1DMT-NNR drops. Point initiation relay for normal or point initiation relay for reverse NLR or RLR picks up. S1DMT-NRR ensures that all the points required for down main line, the route overlap and isolation are set and locked correctly, that is 11, 13, 18, 20 are in normal. This is achieved by picking up 11 NLR, 13 NLR, 18 NLR, 20 NLR simultaneously. Point number 11 NLR picks up under the following conditions. Condition: particular signal route is initiated. Relay concerned for picking up S1DMT NRR up. Conditions: the same signal route is not normal. Relay concerned for picking up S1DMT NNR down. Conditions: conflicting route setting NRRs in drop. Relays concerned for picking up shunt 10 DMT NRR down, shunt 10 CLT NRR down, shunt 23 NRR down, S26 NRR down, S30 CLAT NRR down. Conditions: point number 11 is not in normal. Relay concerned for picking up 11 NWKR down. Conditions: point initiation relay for reverse is in drop. Relay concerned for picking up 11 RLR down. Point lock relay normal or reverse NWLR or RWLR picks up. NWLR or RWLR are normally de-energized relays, so the point is locked electrically. The energization of 11 NLR, 13 NLR, 18 NLR and 20 NLR energizes 11 NWLR, 13 NWLR, 18 NWLR and 20 NWLR respectively. 11 NWLR relay gets energized for automatic operation of points provided the following conditions are satisfied. Conditions: emergency point key in checking relay is normally a dropped relay. This condition needs to be satisfied during emergency point operation. Relays concerned EW NRCR down. Conditions: all the signal ASRs are in whose route the point number 11 is included are proved in up condition. They are proved in double cutting. Relays concerned S1 ASR up, S1 ASPR1 up, S1 ASR up, S1 ASPR1 up, shunt 23 ASR up, shunt 23 ASPR1 up, shunt 10 ASR up, shunt 10 ASPR1 up, S26, 27, 28 ASR up, S26, 27, 28 ASPR1 up. Conditions: all OVSRs are in whose overlap point number 11 is included are proved in up condition. They are proved in double cutting. Relays concerned OV26SR up, 27 OVSR up, 28 OVSR up. Conditions: track locking for point number 11. Relays concerned 11 ATP are up and 11 BTP are up. Conditions: emergency point operation not initiated. Relay concerned EWNR down. Conditions: individual point button or normal common point button and reverse common point button are not pressed. Relays concerned 11 WNR down or NWWNR1 down and RWWNR1 down. Conditions: automatic point operation is initiated to set point number 11 to normal. Relay concerned, 11 NLR up. Conditions: point is not set in normal. Relay concerned, 11 NWKR down. Conditions: point is not initiated for reverse, thereby reverse WLR is in the dropped condition. Relay concerned, 11 RWLR down. Conditions: point button not pressed or reverse common point button is not pressed. Relay concerned, 11 WNR down or RWWNR down. Once 11 NWLR picks up, it sticks by passing track locking. After NWLR or RWLR picks up, the following happens simultaneously. NWKR or RWKR drops, PCR1 or PCR2 picks up, and ASWR picks up. NWKR or RWKR drops. As 11 NWLR picked up, point number 11 NWSRs, RWSRs, NWKPRs, RWKPRs drop. When 11 NWLR is picked up, the 11 RCR drops. As 11 RCR is dropped and 11 NWLR is already in the picked up condition, 11 RWKR drops. 11 NWKR is already in the dropped condition. Therefore, all indication relays and their repeaters are in the dropped condition. PCR1 or PCR2 picks up. Power control relay PCR1 is normally a dropped relay. Heavy duty relay QBCA1 is used for PCR1 or 2. Through 11 NWLR or 13 NWLR front contacts, PCR1 picks up. Through 18 NWLR or 20 NWLR front contacts, PCR2 is picked up. Through the front contacts of PCR1 and PCR2, 110 volt DC for point operation is extended to the point location bus bar, but 110 volt DC is not supplied to the point machine till the command is not received from the relay room. Automatic switching of point chain operation relay ASWR picks up. The energization of 11 NWLR, 13 NWLR, 18 NWLR, 20 NWLR energizes 11 ASWR, 13 ASWR, 18 ASWR and 20 ASWR respectively. Automatic switching of point chain operation relay 11 ASWR picks up through 11 NLR pickup, 11 NWLR pickup and 11 NCR drop. Auto set point relay 1 AS1 WR picks up. AS1 WR is normally a de-energized relay and provided with slow to release arrangement. As 11 ASWR, 13 ASWR, 18 ASWR and 20 ASWR are in the picked up condition. Through the front contacts of these relays, AS1WR relay picks up under the following conditions and sticks to its own front contact by passing WWFR down. Conditions: automatic point operation is initiated for normal for point numbers 11, 13, 18 and 20, reverse for any of the points in the yard. Relays concerned: 11 NLR up, 13 NLR up, 18 NLR up, 20 NLR up. Conditions: automatic switching of point chain operation is initiated for point numbers 11, 13, 18 and 20 in the yard. Relays concerned: 11 ASWR up, 13 ASWR up, 18 ASWR up, and 20 ASWR up. Conditions: automatic switching of point chain operation relay to AS2WR is in dropped condition. Relay concerned, AS2WR down. Conditions: auto chain point control relays 11 WWR and 12 WWR are in dropped condition. Relays concerned, 11 WWR down, 12 WWR down. Conditions: auto point operation final normal relay WWFR is in dropped condition. Relay concerned, WWFR down. Once AS1WR picks up, it sticks to its own front contact by passing WWFR down. WWFR picks up. The auto point operation final normal relay WWFR picks up through 20 WWR down and AS1WR up and sticks through its own front contact by passing AS1WR up. AS2WR picks up. The moment WWFR is picked up, the auto set point relay to AS2WR picks up through WWFR up and AS1WR up and sticks through its own front contact by passing AS1WR. AS1WR drops and 11 WWR picks up. The moment AS2WR picks up, AS1WR drops with a time delay due to slow to release arrangement. The moment AS1WR drops, 11 WWR picks up through AS2WR up, WWFR up, AS1WR down, 13 WWR down, 18 WWR down, 19 WWR down, and 20 WWR down, and sticks to its own front contact by passing WWFR up and AS1WR down. Point normal control relay or point reverse control relay NCR or RCR picks up. Point normal control relay 11 NCR picks up the moment 11 WWR picks up. Because of all the other conditions, that is 11 RWLR down, 11 RCR down, NWLR up are readily available. Then 11 NCR sticks through its own front contact by passing 11 NWLR up. After this, the operations for the following will happen simultaneously: point operating circuit at location and point chain operation. Let us first look at the procedure for point chain operation. 11 ASWR drops. The moment 11 NCR is picked up, 11 ASWR drops. WWR for point number 12 picks up. The moment 11 ASWR is dropped, 12 WWR picks up through 11 WWR up, 11 ASWR down, 18 WWR down, 19 WWR down, 20 WWR down, and sticks through its own front contacts by passing 11 WWR up and 11 ASWR down. 12 ASWR remains in drop and 13 WWR picks up. 12 ASWR remains in dropped condition since 12 NLR or RLR and 12 NWLR or RWLR are not picked up as in S1 DMT NRR route. Point number 12 is not proved. 13 WWR picks up the moment 12 WWR picks up as 12 ASWR remains in dropped. 13 NCR picks up and point operated to normal. The moment 13 WWR picks up, 13 NCR picks up as 13 NWLR is already in picked up condition. The moment 13 NCR picks up, 13 ASWR drops. With 13 NCR picking up, the point operation circuit at point number 13 location is initiated and point number 13 is set to normal. Point chain operation operates point number 18 and 20 to correct position. Point chain operation continues as explained previously and operates point number 18 and 20 to normal position. At end of chain operation, point number 20 WWR picks up, thereby 20 NCR picks up and point number 20 will be set to normal. The moment 20 NCR picks up, 20 ASWR drops, which results in dropping of WWFR. The moment WWFR drops, the AS2WR relay drops, which results in dropping of 11, 12, 13, 18, 19 and 20 WWRs. Therefore, automatic point chain operation circuit is ready for next operation. Point operation circuit at location. Now let us look at the operations in point operation circuit at location, which will happen simultaneously along with point chain operation. NWR or RWR at point location picks up. Normal point operating relay 11 NWR is normally a de-energized relay. It will pick up at the location through the back contacts of 11 NWSRs, 11 RWSRs, 11 NWKPRs, 11 RWKPRs, 11 RWKR, 11 NWKR and 11 RWR, and through the double cutting by the front contacts of 11 NCR, 11 NWLR and the back contact of 11 WNKR. Cross protection is provided through the back contact of 11 NWLR. WNKR or WRKR drops. The moment 11 NWR is energized, 11 WRKR is dropped. WJR and WXR picks up and WJR remains in energized condition with condenser supply. When 11 NWR picks up, 11 WJR picks up through 11 NWR up, 11 WXR down, thereby 11 WXR picks up through 11 NWR up, 11 WJR up, 11 WNKR down, 11 WRKR down and sticks with its own front contact by passing 11 WJR up, 11 WNKR down and 11 WRKR down. With 11 WXR picking up, normal feed to WJR is cut off, but 11 WJR is held in picked up condition by time delay condenser feed through 11 WNKR down, 11 WRKR down, 11 WJR up. This 11 WJR drops the moment condensers are discharged approximately after 10 seconds, so that the motor feed is cut off when there is an obstruction between the tongue and the stock rail. WCR picks up. 11 WCR QBCA1 relay picks up through double cutting arrangement by 11 WXR up, 11 WJR up, 11 NWR up and 11 WNKR down. Cross protection is provided by 11 NWR down and 11 RWR down. 110 volt DC connected to points at A end and B end and points get operated. Point machines at A end and B end will be supplied with 110 volt DC for normal operation through 11 WCR up and 11 NWR up. 2 NWR up contacts are placed in parallel for contacts protection. The points at A end and B end are set to normal and locked. Normal detection contacts are made at A end and B end point machines. WNKR or WRKR picks up at location. The 11 WNKR picks up through the B end normal detection contacts, A end normal detection contacts in series and through 11 RWR down, 11 WRKR down. NWR or RWR, WXR, WJR, WCR drop. Energization of 11W and KR results in dropping of 11WJR, 11WCR and 11NWR. The moment 11NWR drops, 11WXR will drop. NWKR or RWKR picking up at relay room and indication available on panel. The moment all the controlling relays 11WJR, 11WXR, 11WCR, 11NWR are dropped through their back contacts, 11RWR back contact and 11WNKR up, 11NCR up, 11RWKR down, the normal indication relay 11NWKR at relay room picks up and 11 normal indication is displayed on the panel. NWLR or RWLR drops. Energization of 11NWKR results in dropping of 11NWLR and locks the point electrically. Individual point operation. Now let us learn about the procedure for individual point operation. Press point button WL and common point group button NWWN or RWWN simultaneously and release. Let us think that point number 11 is in the reverse condition. To set the point number 11 to normal, press and release point button number 11 WN and common point group button NWWN simultaneously. Then the 11WNR and NWWNR relays pick up. Picking up NWLR or RWLR. The point locked relay normal 11NWLR is normally a de-energized relay, so the point is locked electrically. Picking off 11WNR and NWWNR causes to pick up 11NWLR, provided the following conditions are satisfied. Conditions. Emergency point key in checking relay is normally a dropped relay. This condition needs to be satisfied during emergency point operation. Relay concerned EWNRCR down. Conditions. All the signal ASRs in whose route the point number 11 is included are proved in the up condition. Relays concerned S1 ASR up, S1A ASR up, Shunt 23 ASR up, Shunt 10 ASR up, S26 or 27 or 28 ASR up. Conditions. All OVSRs in whose overlap point number 11 is included are proved in up condition. Relays concerned 26 OVSR up, 27 OVSR up or 28 OVSR up. Conditions. Track locking for point number 11. Relays concerned 11A TPPR2 up, 11B TPPR up. Conditions. Emergency point operation not initiated. Relay concerned EWNR down. Conditions. Automatic point operation not initiated. Relay concerned NLR down, RLR down. Conditions. Point number 11 button is pressed. Relay concerned WNR up. Conditions. Normal common point button is pressed. Relay concerned NWWNR up. Conditions. Point is not set in normal. Relay concerned NWKR down. Conditions. Point is not initiated for reverse. Thereby reverse WLR is in the dropped condition. Relay concerned RWLR down. Conditions. Reverse common point button is not pressed. Relay concerned RWWNR2 down. The normal point locked relay 11 NWLR picks up and holds through its front contact by passing track locking TPRs, that is 11A TPPR2, 11B TPPR and EWNR down. The picking up of 11 NWLR causes the following simultaneously. PCR1 or PCR2 picking up, NWKR or RWKR dropping, 11 NCR or RCR picking up. PCR1 or PCR2 picks up. The power control relay PCR is normally a de-energized relay. Through 11 NWLR front contact, PCR relay picks up, and through PCR relay front contacts 110 volt DC is extended to point location. NWKR or RWKR dropping. As 11 NWLR is picked up, all NWKPRs, RWKPRs, NWSRs and RWSRs will drop. Picking up of 11 NWLR drops, 11 RCR, thereby reverse point indication relay 11 RWKR drops. The normal point indication relay 11 NWKR is already in the dropped condition. 11 NCR or RCR picking up. Through the front contacts of 11 WNR, NWWNR1 and the back contacts of 11 RWLR and 11 RCR and 11 NWLR front contact point normal control relay 11 NCR picks up and holds through its front contact by passing 11 NWLR and 11 WNR pickup, NWWNR1 pickup contact, NWR or RWR at location picks up and point operation is initiated. The normal point operating relay 11 NWR is normally a de-energized relay. It will pick up at the location through the back contact of 11 NWSRs, 11 RWSRs, 11 NWKPRs, 11 RWKPRs, 11 RWKR and 11 NWKR, and through the double cutting by the front contacts of 11 NCR and 11 NWLR and back contacts of 11 WNKR and 11 RWR. Cross protection is provided through the back contact of NWLR. The moment NWR relay is energized, point operation circuit at location is initiated and the point number 11 will be set and locked to normal. Emergency point operation when point zone track circuit fails. Now let us look at the procedure of emergency point operation when point zone track circuit has failed. Nowadays, in relay interlocking installations, the emergency operation of points, that is, operation of points when point zone track circuits failed, is provided. This feature enables the station master to alter the point in case of failure of track circuit in the point zone, provided point is not locked in the route set. This is to avoid detention to traffic. But before adopting such operation, the station master must ensure that it is only a failure and no vehicle is standing on that point zone track. The key for emergency operation, if normal, is kept in the station master's key box with padlock arrangement. The button for emergency point operation is kept in sealed condition. It is provided with a counter to record such operations. Let us think point number 11 is in reverse position and 11 point zone track circuit 11A TPR or 11B TPR or both have failed. Insertion of emergency points operation key. For emergency operation of points, station master has to insert the EWWN station master's key on the panel. Pressing emergency point button EWWN and picking up of EWWNR and EWNRCR. Then the station master presses the emergency point button EWWN, thereby emergency point operation button relay EWWNR picks up provided SMPR1 is in picked up condition. Through the front contacts of EWWNR, the EWNRCR relay picks up. Press individual point button and release the emergency point button. Press point button number 11 and release the emergency point button. Thereby 11WNR is energized and EWWNR is dropped. Energization of EWNR and incrementing of emergency points operation counter. Indication EWKE is lit and EWNRCR drops. Thereby, EWNR relay picks up through 11 WNR up and EWNRCR up and sticks through its own repeater relay contact. Emergency points operation counter is incremented by 1 count through the front contacts of EWNR and EWNRCR. Emergency point operation indication EWKE is lit through EWNR. The EWNRCR drops after a time delay due to slow to release arrangement. Thereby, for each operation, only 1 count is incremented. Keeping point button in pressed condition, press common point group button NWWN or RWWN and release simultaneously. Keeping the 11 point button in pressed condition, press the common point loop button NWWN. Thereby NWWNR with 11 WNR are energized. Picking up NWLR or RWLR. 11 NWLR is energized when the following conditions are satisfied. Conditions. Emergency point key in checking relay is normally a dropped relay. This relay is picked up, counter incremented and dropped after time delay due to slow to release arrangement. Relay concerned EWNRCR down. Conditions. All the signal ASRs in whose route the point number 11 is included are proved in up condition. Relay is concerned S1 ASR up, S1A ASR up, shunt 23 ASR up, shunt 10 ASR up, S26 or 27 or 28 ASR up. Conditions. All OVSRs in whose overlap point number 11 is included are proved in up condition. Relay is concerned 26 OVSR up, 27 OVSR up or 28 OVSR up. Conditions. Track locking for point number 11 is bypassed by point zone track TPR down and EWNR up. Relay is concerned 11A TPPR2 down or 11B TPPR down or both and EWNR up. Conditions. Automatic point operation not initiated. Relay is concerned NLR down, RLR down. Conditions. Point number 11 button is pressed. Relay concerned WNR up. Conditions. Normal common point button is pressed. Relay concerned NWWNR1 up. Conditions. Point is not set in normal. Relay concerned NWKR down. Conditions. Point is not initiated for reverse. Thereby reverse WLRs is in the dropped condition. Relay concerned RWLR down. Conditions. Reverse common point button is not pressed. Relay is concerned RWWNR2 down. The moment 11 NWLR is energized, simultaneously the following happens. Picking up of PCR1 or PCR2, dropping of NWKR or RWKR and picking up of NCR or RCR. Picking up of PCR1 or PCR2. Power control relay PCR1 is normally a dropped relay. Heavy duty relay QBCA1 is used for PCR1 by 2. PCR1 is picked up through the front contact of 11 NWLR. Through the front contacts of PCR1, 110 volt DC for point operation is extended to the point location bus bar, but 110 volt DC is not supplied to the point machine till the command is not received from the relay room. Dropping of NWKR or RWKR. As 11 NWLR is picked up, all NWKPRs, RWKPRs, NWSRs, RWSRs will drop. Picking up of 11 NWLR drops 11 RCR, thereby 11 RWKR drops. 11 NWKR is already in the dropped condition. Picking up NCR or RCR. Point normal control relay 11 NCR picks up and sticks to its own front contact the moment 11 NWLR is picked up, because all the other conditions, that is 11 WNR pickup, NWWNR1 pickup, 11 RWLR drop, 11 RCR drop required for 11 NCR to pick up are already available. At site, NWR or RWR picks up and point operation initiated. Normal point operating relay 11 NWR is normally a de-energized relay. It will pick up at the location through the back contacts of 11 NWSRs, 11 RWSRs, 11 NWKPRs, 11 RWKPRs, 11 RWKR and 11 NWKR, and through the double cutting by the front contacts of 11 NCR and 11 NWLR and the back contacts of 11 WNKR and 11 RWR. Cross protection is provided through the back contact of NWLR. The moment NWR relay is energized, point operation circuit at location is initiated and the point number 11 will be set and locked to normal.